and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And what isn't hot is my 23-year-old car, which I love, but it's not reliable, and I'd have to pay various charges if I wanted to go into London, inner or greater. So I'm looking at second-hand cars, and they too have appreciated in line and above inflation, but I may have found one if I can cope with the unreliable fuel gauge. Do I have any fuel or don't I? I like to take risks, but in terms of investment, be careful with the risks that you take, of course. Now, this week, shares in Pendragon saw a double-digit rise in its share price after the vehicle retailer agreed to sell all of its car dealerships for the sum of £280 million to US group Lithia, who have been trying for some time to buy the business. The business, of course, known for its Stratstone, Evans, Halshaw, Carstor, Quickco brands. Now, the deal also marks the latest departure of a car dealer from the London's stock market. At one time, there was at least half a dozen London-listed car dealing groups, but after a series of takeovers, only Vertu and Inchcape remains. So let's have a look at Vertu's share price and Inchcape's. And just to clarify, Pendragon will spin out what's remaining of the business. It's going to spin out its dealer management software business and change its name to Pinewood. Now, as one company leaves the stock market, there's plenty of new entrants. Earlier in September, Tribe Technology listed on the stock exchange. It's a disruptive developer and manufacturer of autonomous mining equipment designed to improve productivity, reduce costs, and improve safety across the global industry. Chief Executive Charlie King spoke to Donald Leggett.
So what we're doing is we're designing and manufacturing autonomous drill rigs for the mining industry. But this is our first product line. We will continue to develop more creative autonomous solutions that can remove people from harm's way, increase productivity, and deliver big value adds to our tier one clients.
Charlie King, the king of the tribe, speaking there, and I'm sure he's heard that so many times. Well, healthcare shares also doing well this week, including Avacta Group, seeing that stock rising 10% following positive updates on its cancer drug trial. It's a life sciences company successfully completing the sixth stage of its phase 1 clinical trial aimed at treating various advanced forms of cancer. And shares in biopharma group Hemogenyx also surging on Monday after the company received investment from Prevail Partners as it continues to work on its planned clinical trial for leukemia treatment. Now, pay attention, because life sciences and pharmaceutical stocks are very much under the microscope, with a patent cliff on the horizon this year and for the next 7 years. This means that several drugs are losing their primary patents and more patents are expected to expire. So there are opportunities there. That's it for now. Hope you're well. See you soon. I'll be back same time next week.